This is our biomass sawdust burner. And first, it includes three types. It is biomass burner and a screw conveyor and a fuel bin. First, let's check it. It is a well pot. From this, we can see the bears in the furnace. And this is the igniter, and it is at discharge hole. And next, this is increasing fire. Because it is something fan in it, and it is not the air for the fire in the furnace. We can see this as the charge hole, and this is the burner mouth. From this, the gas came out. It is the air brake and include refractory. It is a stable operation and long lifetime. This is the water inlet and water outlet because it is for the water circulating system to cool the machine. And this is the well pot and the feeding fuel pot. That's all.
Jessehaiqi Machinery Equipment Company Limited is the first professional organization which is engaged in energy-saving technology development and related product development in China. The main products include the Biomass series burner using domestic leading technology. Haiqi Biomass burner uses reasonable compact design, simple structure, and have got weld material, rice husk, wood pellet, peanut shell pellet, bamboo pellet, and so forth. Suitable run material less than 3 mm sawdust and moisture is less than 15%. It has got the certifications of CE, BV, TUC, SGS, and has been exported to many countries and earned a great reputation around the market. By vacuum pyrolysis, secondary combustion, exhaust gas treatment systems to prevent smoke secondary pollution completely, good sealing measures, and negative pressure of the furnace to ensure that there is no gas leakage.